time since I have done a video, and that's why I am choosing this one. Ab Wheel is my favorite tool, and I'm going to do a challenge of Ab Wheel every day for a week, adding 5 more each day. I'm going to start with 10, and I'm going to go from Monday to Monday. So if you want to join me in this challenge, you are invited, and we'll hold each other accountable every morning on Instagram. I'll post and I'll show them to you as I do them. My goal is to get to 50, and I just want to build my core strength. The Ab Wheel is a great tool because it works so many different muscle groups, including your upper body and your glutes. It's just a great all-around tool, and I'm going to use it this week to build my strength. If you'd like to join me on my challenge, make sure to follow me on Instagram at SarahMarieFitness8, and we can connect there, and we can help hold each other accountable. And every morning I will film my rollouts and post them. So I will see you there.